What's going on there, YouTube? It's your guy Rocky from Rockstar RC, hitting you guys with another video today. Today we're going to be talking about the Vanquish H10 Optic. I just picked this up. It just came in. I don't know if you guys can see what it says up here, but this is the Terra Recon. This is the whole kit from Knights Customs. Let's see what's in the box. Let's check it out. So I have a Vanquish already. So I have an H10 Optic already, but I think I'm gonna pick up another one. So I have this H10 Optic here that I picked up when it first came out. If you want to check out that video, you can definitely just check out my Vanquish RC playlist. You'll definitely see this truck up there. Honestly, this truck has been a great truck to me, but I had to do a little shock tuning to the truck to make it perform a little bit better. But otherwise, not a bad truck. All right, guys. So I think I'm going to pick up a kit, the H10 Optic kit, and start fresh. So at least it has a fresh chassis, fresh cage, and everything else like that. I'm not too sure. I'm kind of like on the fence of either running the long panels on the side or running the short panels and cutting the frame in the rear. So we'll see what happens, you know, when that time arrives, of course, when I do get the kit and I start assembling everything. So we'll see what happens, guys. But all right, let's check out the box. Let's see what's in here and let's get this thing going. All right, guys, so this is the official kit from Knights Customs. So it looks like this is the rear part of the buggy. All right, you got your front hood. Looks like the front fenders and stuff like that. I'll take it out the bag so that you guys can take a look at that. And then looks like this is the radiator and headlight buckets. Looks like the faux engine and supercharger and stuff like that. And this looks like the detailed interior. Not bad. All right, and it looks like some stickers that they give us. Pretty cool. Looks like a manuals page. Let's check this stuff out. I'm excited to see what's in the bag, guys. So all this stuff is 3D printed. So you can paint everything to your liking. So you have a little driver here. Get your full interior. And you got your arms. Got your different helmets and stuff like that. So you can change up your driver. All right, so you got your steering wheel also. All right, so they also give us like other little detailed pieces. Looks like your gauge cluster, looks like a shifter, looks like door handles here. Looks like they even include like a little navigation screen. All right, guys, let's see what we have next. So they give us a faux gas tank or jerry can with their Knights Custom symbol on it and the words Knights on the bottom. They also give us a faux fuel cell. Ooh, this is definitely gonna need some sanding right here. Wow, this is definitely pretty rough. Everything else looks pretty smooth, but right here we're gonna need some light sanding. Right here, guys. don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if the camera makes that out, but right there's a little rough. I'm thinking that this is the other option. So if I shorten the rear of the cage, I'm assuming that this is for that. Then you have the back of the cage. Definitely looks good. Got this piece here also. All right, what else is next? Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. All right, guys, so got your battery tray here. Got your master cylinder. It looks like part of a supercharger. Maybe pulleys to the supercharger or something. All right, you got more pulleys here, maybe to the engine. All right, looks like a valve cover here. All right, looks like another valve cover with the oil cap on it. And we have our intake here that comes off of the supercharger. All right, guys, let's see what's in the next bag. All right, so it looks like you have your radiator here with your headlight buckets. Got full fans in the rear. All right, guys, this is the top half of the engine. All right, last but not least, guys, let's check out this last bag. All right, guys, so we have the front grille and the fenders here. So we can actually use this hood right now, obviously, but they actually give us another option with the closed part of the hood. So you don't have to have the supercharger hanging out and the engine hanging out and stuff like that, which is pretty cool too. So, and they actually came out with one with a, I'd say like a little part of a scoop. You know, it's got like a little scoop on top of the hood, basically, where you can keep the supercharger and everything underneath here, but it'll just cover the supercharger and everything else, which isn't bad either. So that's another option for you. So you can either use the original hood that comes with the kit, or you can actually get the file and 3D print it yourself, or have somebody 3D print it for you. But you have to get the file if you want to do that, or obviously check out Knight's Customs website and see if you can actually grab the hood of your choice, basically. So, all right, so they give us the headlight covers. These are the longer fenders for the rear. So if you're not gonna cut the H10 Optic, I would assume that these are the fenders that you're gonna use if you're not gonna cut it. All right, so they give us a right and a left, of course. And I can only assume that these would be the shorter fenders. So if you were gonna cut the H10 Optic up, then these would, I'm assuming that these would be the shorter fenders for the H10 Optic if you're gonna cut it. All right, guys, so these would be the doors. That's everything that comes along with this Knight Customs Terra Recon kit for the H10 Optic. It literally just came in today. I wanted to share this kit with you guys and show you exactly what's involved, what you're getting, how you're gonna get it, and how it looks. Honestly, the quality looks really good. Just honestly, that one piece where, I mean, it's very, very minimal, you know, where I'm gonna have to do minimal sanding and it should be fine. Otherwise, everything looks pretty smooth, you know, so I'll be doing not that much sanding on this thing, so, which is really cool. if you guys are looking to pick up the Knights Customs kit, the Terra Recon one, or I believe they have a Terra buggy also. But if you're looking to pick up this kit or even the interior kit, check out A Main Hobbies or Knights Customs website. I would definitely check them out, and you might find something that you like. A Main has a big selection for a lot of our RC crawlers, and obviously a lot of other parts of the RC hobby, of course, you know, so definitely check out A Main. All right, guys, hopefully everybody enjoys your day, your family, your friends, and whatever RC car you guys have. All right, you got Rocky from Rockstar RC. Catch you on the next one. Rockset out.